Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is day 10 of me learning English with an American accent. I can't believe it's been 10 days. I feel like it's like 2 days, but it's literally 10 days and we're learning English together. If you're new here, let me tell you what I'm doing. So I created this channel for only learning English with an American accent, and I took a 6 months challenge where I'll learn English with an American accent. In these 6 months, I'll do whatever I need to do to learn English to master my English. At the moment, my English is so bad, my accent is not pretty good, my accent is also so bad, so I just want to make them better. So that's why I created this channel. And also I have a good news for you. If you're new here, then let me tell you, I created a Discord server where all we can learn English together. As you can see, this is a welcome page. You can read everything. This server is completely free for everyone. You don't need to pay. All you need a Discord account. This is what all you need. Also, you can talk to each other, ask for help. There is some lot of tongue twisters, and I'll keep adding here. And also there's some resources I didn't add now, but I will. Also you can like post here. It's like literally everything is free. You'll find like helpful content, as you can see, and there's some lot of tips and tricks. You can like talk to each other. Yeah, you can do like everything to learn English. Right now we are not many people here, but we really appreciate if you join. If you're learning English, or if you're also like you already master English, just join us and help us to learn English together. So yeah, so yesterday I did some reading challenge. You can watch my previous video if you want, and I took a 10 days challenge for reading only. So yeah, you can watch my previous video for all the details. But today we're going to be doing something different, a little bit different. You'll see why I'm saying a little bit different. So let me ask ChatGPT first. Hey ChatGPT, give me some picture link, cause I wanna look at them and express the picture for my English learn. All right, let's see what I give. All right, so he gave me this, but I don't want this. Give. All right, let's see what I asked him, give me casual pictures like day to day we see like photos something, or people doing something. I don't know what to read, but yeah, let's see. All right, so he gave me some of these pictures. All right, let's try to express them. So what are we seeing here? So I'm seeing a lot of cars, a lot of cars. So I'm seeing a lot of cars and a lot of people crossing the road, and I'm also seeing a lot of children with their parents, and also I'm seeing some old guy crossing the road, and also I can see here a lot of trees, a white building, and yeah, this is what I'm seeing. All right, let's go to the next picture. So this is a very beautiful picture. So I'm seeing like very narrow road with a lot of stores. I guess this is stores, and I'm seeing also a lot of trees and a lot of peoples, and I can see here a guy holding two bags, wearing a black t-shirt, black jeans, and at the same time black shoes, and he with a girl which her hair is like brown, I guess, and he's wearing a ash type color t-shirt and also wearing black jeans and black shoes, and they're looking pretty good together. And also I'm seeing a lot of people here, like this guy's wearing a chocolate color pant, a navy blue color t-shirt. Also I can see some chairs here. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing. But let's go to the next picture. So I'm seeing an old guy wearing a suit, and he has something on his hand, and he's wearing a cap also, and he's walking at in front of him. I can see one boy with her grandmother, I guess, with his grandmother, I guess, and yeah, I can see some stores, some signboards, a lot of people too. Right, let's go to the next picture. Alright, so this is a road. This is called zebra crossing as far as I know. And here is a guy that try to pass the roads, try to cross the roads. And here we can see a store called PZR. I don't know what this, how to pronounce. Also we can see a lot of people, and these two guys try to like buy something, some coffees, I guess. And here a guy which is he wearing a like basketball t-shirt, and yeah, this is what I'm. So yeah, this is it, but I want to see some of the more. So let's just ask, give me more picture like this, but more detail. Whoops, my spelling is so long. All right, let's wait for this. In the web, yes, bro, he literally gave me the same pictures. Don't name wait some because I don't know what I'm typing. I'm literally sitting at the keyboard and typing. I know it's a lot of, but ChatGPT will understand what I'm trying to say, hopefully. because it's ChatGPT 5 and I'm using the free version. Alright, this is the same picture as before. Yeah, this is the picture. Alright, so I'm seeing a lot of people, a insane crowd I should say. And here is a man holding a lot of bags, and also he has a backpack in his back, and he wearing a jacket with hat or cap, and he was wearing a blue jeans. It's like baggy jeans and wearing a shoes also. And the right side of him I can see a guy wearing a orange type color sweater and wearing pant with the shoes. So yeah, I'm seeing a lot of cars, a lot of traffic light, and yeah, this is what I'm seeing. Here's some, I don't know, I don't know what are these. So yeah, let's go to. Alright, so I don't know why, but I feel like this is in Spain, and this is really beautiful. Look at this sky. We can see some store, and some people are sitting here and talking to each other, hang out or something. And this might be a coffee store, and we can see a lot of pet with their I don't know what that words, I forgot. So yeah, I'm seeing a lot of dog, and also I can see a cat. Maybe this is a cat, I don't know, I'm not sure. Here's a dog, here's another dog, and also there is another dog, and also there's some lot of people. Alright, let's move on to the next picture. Here we can see an old man with a long mustache and wearing a baggy pant, and he wearing also a cap, and he is trying to go to somewhere. See guys, my English is so bad, I don't know how to express something. Maybe it's the right word, express, I'm not sure, but yeah, this is my problem. Like, I understand English, I little understand English, every English I understand, but I can't speak in English fluently. My pronunciation is not that good, so that's why I created this channel. I have to keep practicing every single day and try to be better. So yeah, this is day 10, and I'll upload video tomorrow again if I not die or something big not happen, bad not happen to me. So yeah, this is for today. And also, if you haven't joined my Discord server yet, I would really appreciate if you join, because listen, YouTube does not pay me, Discord does not pay me. I'm just here for learning English. I'm not here for anything else. I just want to learn English. That's why I'm doing all of these things. You can see I'm not here for views, like literally. See? My views are like 78 views in the last 48 hours. So I don't care about the views or subscribers or likes or anything. All I care is about learning English. This is why I'm like uploading videos and everything. So yeah, if you're watching this and also want to learn English together with me and also want to see my journey, you can subscribe. Also, if you know someone that also want to learn English, you can share this video, share my channel, share the Discord server, so that might help him or her. So yeah, this is the video. I'm not sure what should I say. So yeah, this is day 10 of me learning English with an American accent, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.